How to use AI to find high-paying freelance clients on Upwork. Upwork has millions of jobs. But most freelancers waste hours applying to low-paying, high-competition gigs. With AI, you can find high-paying clients, write winning proposals, and win more jobs in less time. In this guide, I will show you exactly how. Why Upwork is still worth it in 2026. According to Upwork's 2026 report, freelancers earned over $4 billion on the platform in 2025. Here is why it is still a great side hustle. Millions of active clients. Companies are actively looking for freelancers. Payment protection. Upwork guarantees payment for hourly contracts. Global marketplace. Clients come from all over the world. AI advantage. Most freelancers still do not use AI. You will. Step 1. Optimize your Upwork profile with AI in 30 minutes. Your profile is your storefront. Most freelancers have generic profiles. Here is how to stand out. Use ChatGPT to write your headline and overview. Use this prompt. Write an Upwork profile overview for a freelancer offering your service. I specialize in specific skills. My target clients are. Describe your ideal client. Highlight 1. Years of experience. 2. Specific results I have delivered. 3. My process. 4. Why clients should hire me. Keep it under 1,000 characters. Use a friendly but professional tone. Add your portfolio samples. Create 3 to 5 samples using AI. If you are an AI voiceover freelancer, generate 3 samples using 11 Labs. If you are a writer, write 3 sample articles using ChatGPT, then edit them heavily. Step 2. Find high-paying jobs with AI in 15 minutes per day. Do not scroll through hundreds of jobs manually. Use this strategy. Step 2.1. Set up saved searches. In Upwork, create saved searches for your keywords such as AI voiceover, ChatGPT writer, or Canva designer. Upwork emails you new jobs daily. Step 2.2. Filter for quality. Only apply to jobs where the client has payment verified with a green checkmark. The client has spent over $1,000 on Upwork, showing a history of hiring. The budget is over $50 or the hourly rate is over $25. The job was posted in the last 24 hours. Step 2.3. Use ChatGPT to rank jobs. Take 10 job descriptions and ask ChatGPT to rank them from best to worst for a freelancer with your skills. Best means highest pay, clearest requirements, and best chance of winning. Ask for a brief explanation of the ranking. Step 3. Write winning proposals with AI in 10 minutes per proposal. Most freelancers send generic proposals. You will not. Here is the formula. The 4-part winning proposal template. Part 1 is the hook in 1 to 2 sentences. Show you understand their problem. Say I saw you need specific need. I have helped similar client type achieve specific result. Part 2 is credibility in 1 to 2 sentences. Explain why you. Say I have completed number of similar projects. Here is a relevant sample with a link. Part 3 is process in 2 to 3 sentences. Explain how you will work. Say my process is step 1, step 2, step 3. I deliver in time frame. Part 4 is call to action in 1 sentence. Give the next step. Say I would love to hop on a quick call to discuss details. Does a specific time work for you? Use ChatGPT to write the proposal. Use this prompt. Write an Upwork proposal for this job, then paste the job description. My rate is your rate. My relevant skills are your skills. My portfolio includes your samples. Use the 4-part formula of hook, credibility, process, and call to action. Keep under 800 characters. Use a friendly but professional tone. Pro tip. Always customize the proposal. Replace the words specific need with something from the job description. Clients can spot generic proposals immediately. Step 4, automate follow UPS in 5 minutes per week. Clients are busy. They might miss your proposal. Follow up after 3 to 5 days. Follow-up message template. Say hi client name, just following up on my proposal from day. I am still available to help with project. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Use ChatGPT to personalize each follow-up. Copy the job description and ask ChatGPT to write a short follow-up message for this client. Step 5, use AI to prepare for interviews. Once a client messages you, you have a 50% chance of winning the job. Do not mess it up. Prepare for the interview with ChatGPT. Use this prompt. I have an interview for this job, then paste the description. Generate 10 questions the client might ask and my ideal answers based on my experience, then paste your experience. Common interview questions for freelancers include: tell me about yourself, have you done similar work before, what is your process, how do you handle revisions, what is your availability, and why should I hire you over other freelancers? Pricing strategy, how much to charge? For beginners with 0 to 5 jobs, charge $15 to $25 per hour or $20 to $50 per project. For intermediate freelancers with 5 to 20 jobs, charge $25 to $50 per hour or $50 to $150 per project. For advanced freelancers with over 20 jobs and testimonials, charge $50 to $100 or more dollars per hour or $150 to $500 or more dollars per project. Pro tip: start low to get your first 2 or 3 reviews. Then raise rates significantly. Clients trust freelancers with reviews, not low prices. Realistic timeline to $1,000 per month on Upwork. Month 1. Optimize your profile. Send 20 proposals per week. 0 to 2 jobs. 0 to $100. Month 2. 2 to 5 jobs. Get your first reviews. Send 10 proposals per week. $100 to $400. Month 3. Raise rates. Get repeat clients. Send 5 to 10 proposals per week. $400 to $1,000. Months 4 to 6. Build a strong profile. Receive inbound invites. $1,000 to $2,500 or more. Common mistakes to avoid: applying to every job. Quality over quantity. Send 10 great proposals, not 50 generic ones. Generic proposals. Saying hi I am interested in your job gets deleted. Customize every proposal. Too much AI with no human touch. AI writes the draft. You add personal details. Ignoring small clients. Small clients become big clients. Or they leave 5-star reviews. Not asking for testimonials. After every successful project, ask for a written testimonial. Add it to your profile. FAQ. How many proposals should I send per week? 10 to 20 quality proposals. More than that and you are likely rushing. What is the best niche for Upwork beginners? AI voiceovers, AI content editing, Canva design, and virtual assistants. These have low barriers to entry and high demand. How do I get my first job with no reviews? Lower your price to $10 or $15 per hour. Offer a free small task such as I will write your first 2 social captions for free. Or ask a friend to hire you on Upwork and refund them after. Conclusion: Upwork is still a gold mine for freelancers who use AI. The platform is crowded, but most freelancers are still working without AI. Use the strategies above to stand out. Your action plan: optimize your profile using ChatGPT. Set up saved searches. Send 5 proposals today using the 4-part template. Follow up in 3 days. Repeat. For more, visit our website. Please subscribe, like, and share.